to Munich airport. Today I'm flying with TUIfly to Heraklion. The check-in was done super quick since I'm here 3 hours before the flight departs and there was no one in front of me. Departing from Terminal 1 at Munich airport always means lots of walking. My flight leaves at the A gates today, which used to be for Air Berlin, but that airline is long gone since 2017. The security control was empty since there's only 4 flights leaving from the A gates in the next few hours. There's lots of seating options and also a small restaurant, but you can also watch the apron, although the view is slightly obstructed here because of the construction of the Terminal 1 extension, which you can see on the left. My aircraft is currently parked on a remote stand, so there's not much to see at the gate. And this is the 737-800, which will take me to Greece, painted in a special Rio Hotels and Resorts livery. This aircraft was delivered to TUIfly in April 2007. This aircraft is normally equipped with split scimitar winglets, but due to an unknown reason, today it only features the standard winglets. The attachment points were sealed with tape. Welcome to seat 7A, located in the so-called front seat area, which includes the first 10 rows. But you have to pay an additional 20 euros if you want to reserve one of those seats, which feature a bit more legroom than in the back. TUI also made the smart move to remove the seat back pockets, so your knees have a bit more of freedom. The seat definitely features a really great engine and wing view.
The cabin crew also likes to welcome you now flying to Heraklion. The flight time will be about 2 hours and 30 minutes. We hope that you feel comfortable. I wish you a pleasant flight. Laptops und andere größere elektronische Geräte das in der Startanlage vollständig ausgeschaltet und sich am Handgepäck verstaut sein. Die Benutzung von Mobiltelefonen, Tablets und E-Readern im Flugmodus ist gestattet. The access larger electronic devices such as laptops must be completely switched off for takeoff landing and safely stowed in your hand luggage. The use of
As we push back on time, you can spot the Emirates A380 wearing the new livery at the terminal.
Bei einem Druckverlust fallen automatisch Sauerstoffmasken aus den Fächern über Ihnen. Nehmen Sie gegebenenfalls sofort.
Takeoff will be performed on runway 08 right, which is just a short taxi from the Terminal 1 apron. And as we're departing Munich, let me know if you can spot the Lufthansa A380 and 3 A340-600s parked at the Terminal 2 satellite gates. The 737 is really loud up front. I'm really glad that I have noise-cancelling headphones with me for the next few hours. Down below you can spot the Herreninsel Chiemsee, which is an island featuring a really pretty castle in the lake of Chiemsee. And now we're already approaching the first mountains of the German Alps.
My dear colleague will now pass through the cabin with neck pillows for your comfort, available for 3 euro seat.
We're now crossing the Austrian Alps, so I'll let you enjoy the views for the next couple of minutes. And after those spectacular views, let me quickly show you around the seat. As I already mentioned, the legroom is really good. In your left armrest, you will find a small controller for the in-flight entertainment, which is not in use anymore. The tray table folds out and you can pull it out just a bit. The literature pocket of the seat features the duty-free shop magazine, the safety card, as well as a buy onboard food and drinks menu and the TUIfly magazine, which has lots of interesting articles to read. Let me quickly show you the food and drink options. The prices are not too bad, but you can also pre-purchase hot meals and snacks online while checking in or while booking your flight. You will save a few euros if you do that before the flight. The crew also offered drinks on sale and even food for lower prices at the end of the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, warm meals can also be purchased on this flight. Selection and prices can be found in the TUIfly coffee menu in your seat pocket. My colleague will come to the cabin to take your order.
Each seat also features a reading light and an individual air vent. TUIfly's 737 fleet features the classic 3-3 layout with 189 seats in economy class. And while we're approaching some high clouds, why don't you check out my Instagram account where I post live stories of my travels and also aviation pictures. After a rather uneventful cruise, we're now descending into Heraklion. You can already catch a glimpse of Crete as we're approaching Heraklion from the north above the Aegean Sea. Crete has some really big mountains, including Mount Ida, which is the tallest one with an elevation of 2,500 meters. We're now turning onto final for runway 27, so enjoy this really scenic approach along the coastline.
Sitze und angeschnallt, bis das Flugzeug die endgültige Parkposition erreicht hat und die Anschnallzeichen über ihn ausgeschaltet wurden.
What an amazing landing. Almost felt like we're approaching an aircraft carrier. Let me share my final thoughts about this TUIfly experience. I really liked this flight because the crew was really motivated and they seemed to love their job. Of course, TUIfly doesn't offer any special amenities on board and you have to buy everything extra. But the prices are not too bad and I really like the seat. I booked this flight last minute, just 5 days before departure, and paid 80 euros plus the 20 euros for the seat reservation, which is a really great deal. I also had to pay 35 euros for a 20 kilo luggage piece. But you can also get the perfect fare, which includes luggage, a seat and a small snack. Heraklion airport is really tiny, but it wasn't too crowded as I waited for my luggage. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and as always, see you in the sky.